I didn't create this for followers. I created this for the person who's been sitting on their calling and just needed someone to say, it's time. I remember the first time when I realized that God was calling me to share my voice. I did not feel ready. I did not feel qualified. I looked at everyone else posting and growing on their social media, and I thought, that's not me. But the truth is, that was me. You've got something inside you that's meant to be shared. Something real, something powerful, something kingdom. For so long, I thought I had to be perfect in order to post. Like I needed to be a theologian before I can share the word, or I needed to be an influencer before I speak. But then God reminded me, He's not asking for perfection. He's actually asking for obedience. The problem, everywhere I looked, I keep seeing the same patterns. Creators overwhelmed by pressure, leaders unsure of what to post, faith-driven people called to share but stuck in confusion. And I started asking people around, what's holding you back? And I keep hearing the same answers. I don't know where to start. I'm scared to put myself out there. Is the posting thing even something spiritual? And I realized, well, we need more than motivation. We actually need a system, something simple, strategic, and spirit-led. So I create Creator with a Calling Starter Kit. It's completely free, and it includes a 3-part video series to help you understand the why, the when, the where to start, a workbook to help you process, reflect, and take action, real strategies, real scripture, and real step moving forward. And it does not stop there. It leads into something deeper. The full Creator with a Calling system, a coaching-based course designed to help you clarify your voice, create consistently, grow your platform, and monetize your message without compromising your mission. So, if you know this is your season to stop hiding and actually start building, this is your invitation. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing to move forward with what God has already placed in your hands. Download the starter kit, start the journey, and if you are ready to go deeper, I will work with you through the full system. Your voice matters. Your story matters. And your obedience, that might be someone else's breakthrough. Download the free starter kit right now and let us build something eternal.